Hello, good evening, everyone. Am I audible? Please show your thumbs up. Can you hear me? See, yesterday was Rakhi, and hopefully, you all must have celebrated it very nicely. Girls should be very happy today because Rakhi, it means lots of gifts, money as well. So, yesterday's Rakhi festival. Hopefully, you all must have, and I can see lovely Rakhis. Uh, I can read you as Gaurisha. Gaurisha Gautam. Okay, wonderful watch. She got two lovely watches with lighting. She got, I think, as a gift from. And see, yesterday in our Rakhi making free session, we learned this Rakhi. In this Rakhi, we use discarded jewelry. And this is not only a Rakhi, this is actually a small mini album. If I will hold it and take it out, see what it is there inside. It is actually album. Okay. This is a beautiful album with memories of your brother, lovely lines. Love you, Lord, best brother, or what. And you can close it. And see, I used all discarded jewelry for this. And you can keep it inside. So it is jewelry come. It is a mini album come Rakhi. We learned this last class, and I can see a lovely chocolate bouquet. Krisha is showing this. And in beginning of class also, I think Krisha was eating one chocolate out of it. Yes, Krisha? She got a complete bouquet. We learned one bouquet also yesterday. It is this free session is available on our YouTube channel. If you want to learn this mini album come Rakhi and chocolate bouquet. Chocolate bouquet you can use for many occasions. You can visit our YouTube channel. Complete recorded class of yesterday is available there. Okay. So, okay, now without delay, we will start with the work. What we are going to learn today. First, I will cover up my complete page, and this close-up view will definitely help you out. Okay, today we are going to learn one festival, and because this month is so many festivals are there in this month. So one by one, we'll keep learning them. Those who were absent in this activity, Rakhi making and chocolate bouquet activity it was. It was on Saturday, one day before Rakhi. Okay, and its recording is available on YouTube channel. You can see if you missed that class because of any reason, you were not able to attend, you can attend this class, and we used a discarded matchbox. This is a matchbox which we use for making Rakhi. Okay, so now students, we will be learning one festival because in this month we have so many festivals. Rakhi is over now. Now upcoming competition, we have Onam, we have Janmashtami, and after that we have Ganesh Chaturthi. So today I'm going to take you to South. Okay, South in this festival, racing of boats is there. Yes, Onam. Yes. Today we will be learning drawing on Onam. Okay. And in this drawing of Onam, we are going to do a very great experiment. In coloring, we will do combination of two, pencil shading and colors. Okay. So you will be able to understand that when we combine pencil shading with colors, how it looks. Okay. So in this complete artwork, we will be doing pencil shading and colors. So it will be a revision of pencil shading, one thing. And secondly, when we combine color with pencil shading, how it looks, you will be able to learn that also. Okay. So chalo, without delay, we will start our work. And today we are going to learn lovely drawing on Onam. Okay. So for this, you will be taking your paper horizontally. Keep it horizontally. It means in sleeping position. And after this, first decide your center. Okay, you can use A3 or A4, any size. I'm making it on A4 size paper, but you can try it on A3 also, okay? So this is my center, beside your center. And just below this here, I will be making a line here, okay? You can use scale for this, or you can draw it freehand. I draw a line. Okay, and see, this is the center of my page. I will make it little bigger here. Okay, Onam, it's complete week of week or more than a week. So many cultural activities been conducted there, and a story is behind this Onam. Okay, and see, in this online class, as we are learning different occasions, which are global occasions, global festivals, national festivals, social festivals, cultural festivals, so many things we are learning. And what we are gaining actually, we are knowing about others, so many cultural things happening all around, because India is incredible because of its unity in diversity. So many cultures are there, so many uh, festivals we celebrate, but still we are united. We are Indian, right? Drishya, if you have A3 size paper, you can continue over it. Okay. Continue. So I draw this line. And after making this line, you can use even scale for this. Okay. After this, I will make a diagonal line. Okay. I will draw a diagonal line. Aradhya, this drawing is looking very good. Okay. Now I will draw a diagonal line from here. This is center, which is below that I draw this. And from here, I will go diagonal upwards. Okay. I will go upwards. You also go this way. We learned one chocolate bouquet also in this class of Rakhi making, but that bouquet I gifted to someone. That's why I can't show you. Otherwise, two, and these are so simple, chocolate bouquet and Rakhi. They both are so simple, even a child can make it. And the best part of this Rakhi is it is very different than others. It's a mini album. Okay? Huh. So see, we will draw a straight line, then a slanting line. All of you, please show your work. Kavisha, you also show your work. Kavisha Patel. Show the basic. This beginning should be perfect. Yes, very good. You can try freehand lines, freehand or with scale. Now I'm going to erase this corner. I will erase this corner because I will be giving this kind of curved line. I will give a curve so that my shape will look absolutely different. And in the end, I'm going to write 6. Number 6. How? See, I'm showing how. Here, this way is I will give a curve. I will give a round curve. It can be slightly smaller. And write 6. 6. Okay. So what I did, I just gave a curve and I will erase this line. Okay. So this, you find a lovely curve. At the place of making it directly, first you just draw basic shape, and then when you add curve, you find it easy to draw. Okay. We are going to make a big nauka. Nauka, it is a long boat, very creative. From one corner, it is quite high. Second one is comparatively less. And many people at a time move the paddle and they move this boat. Yeah, we are going to make this nauka. It is boat. Yes. Yes, I'm repeating, this is a straight line, diagonal line, which I just connect with this curve and connect 6, letter 6. Okay. I will be making one more line. First, I want to see that time many were doing. I want to check it now. And Karunya, this is beautiful artwork. Shabash. Very good. All of you show. Perfect. Because this is the beginning now. It should be started perfectly. In corner, I just gave it a curved shape. Now one more line. Okay. Almost 3 fingers. 3 fingers distance. I will draw one more line. And now 3 fingers distance I will take and I will draw one more line. And we will go diagonal here. Here I will connect and I will go diagonal. Okay, and don't forget in this artwork, we are going to do 2 kind of things. We will be doing experiment with 2 things. First, you draw it diagonal. If you will make shape directly, you will find it difficult. Yes, I'm repeating. I will be giving a full quick revision. This is center of my page. Okay. This is center of my page from corners, just from below. I draw a line and went diagonal upwards. 3 fingers distance, I draw one more line, went diagonal. And what I'm going to do, I will simply connect it. Okay. I will give a connected line and erase this. So this ways you will find this kind of shape of boat. It's a very creative. Yes. I will zoom out. Okay. So I found this kind of shape. And here I want to show many, okay, many men. I will be showing many men sitting and they are moving paddle so that this boat can move fast in water. Okay, can I check this shape now? All of you, show me. Yes, perfect. Perfect shape. Okay. Shravya, show your work. Show, is it done? Yes, good. Very good. Yes, perfect. Now we will come back to work. Okay. So see this phase and we are going to give it shape of a peacock afterwards. But first I will teach you how to draw a man who is moving paddle, and then we are going to make many, not only one. Suppose your boat is quite big here and 5 can come. So you will be making 5 men. Okay, if 3 are coming, only 3. If 2 are 2, at least 3 you should make. Okay, so I will be making my first one here. So what I will do, see in this hand I'm holding pencil. With this hand, 2 fingers distance I will take. And from here, 2 finger distance I will take and mark 2 fingers. Okay. Satik, when I will be coming to see work of others now, that time you show your 3D work also. Okay. And make this line very nicely. Here you can see the shape. The shape of your boat should be perfect. It is straight from here, and from here it is taking a curve up upstairs. So this upwards. So shape should be perfect. Make sure that shape should be perfect. This is full drawing only, Venkat. This is full view. This is complete cover. This screen is covering up my complete file. Now, after this, I took 2 fingers distance, and I'm going to show a diagonal line. Diagonal line, and I will draw a U shape which will touch this measurement this line I took. This is a diagonal line, slanting line, U. I will make it a shape of U. U, letter U. Okay, come on, draw this. Yes, Purvi, you can. Okay, what I did, I took 2 fingers distance. First, I mark this 2 fingers distance. I draw a slanting line. I just touch this mark, convert it in shape of U. Sainika, I will be giving you quick revision. This was center, just below center, I draw 2 straight lines. And this distance between his 3 fingers, I went upwards and gave a curve in the corner. I took 2 fingers distance, mark, and I started with slanting line and draw a U. And now I'm going to draw 1, 1, 1, 1, 11, 11, and then I'm going to write again letter U. Okay, letter U. Okay, for making body of this person, I draw U slightly bigger, but here I'm going to make it slightly smaller. Okay, U, come on, letter U. Can I check this much? Shabash. And I'm very happy to announce victory of 2 students because I keep getting on Instagram and I love to share it with you all. And that is Sanvi Mittal. She performed in school competition on Independence Day and won first prize. So lots of congratulations, Sanvi. And here one more achievement by Nebodito. He won first prize in Rakhi making. And lots of congratulations, Rakhi Thali, Rakhi making and Thali decoration. So they both won first prize. Aradhya won first prize in Independence Day special drawing, and then Rakhi drawing also. So she won many prizes. So I'm very happy. Lots of congratulations and blessings to all my students, those who are winning and those even not winning. Even though those who are participating, for me, even they deserve lots of congratulations and blessings. And may God bless you. Keep it up. We are proud of you. And okay, Bhargavi is having birthday. Bhargavi's birthday today. Happy birthday, my dear Bhargavi. Lots of blessings and may God shower all happiness in your life. Once again, Bhargavi, happy birthday. Okay, now we will cover it up with sleeping lines. I will be writing 11 in sleeping position. You can make your 11 slightly curved. Okay, connect it this way. And connect it, it will look like rectangle, but it is slightly curved. Okay. And now I will be showing from this point to this point, okay, where this U, these 2 points of U, I will be starting with, I will be showing curved line, curved hair of this person. I will connect, okay. Very carefully see how I'm making this, because this posture you can try for many things. If you want to show someone is holding stick, or a family in boat, or for so many things you can use this posture. After this, I will be showing ear here. C, draw a C and connect. Connect it here, connect it downwards. Okay, connect your C upwards and this bottom part of C downwards. Do it. We will not show face. Okay, we will leave face like this only. So this body is ready. Now I will take 2 points. One here and one below this here. 2 points. One on the tip of this U and one below. Okay, 2 points. Now keep in mind, okay, each and every step I'm making, keep in mind. And from this point, you will be making from here, you will be making a line downwards, slanting. Line coming downwards. One more line. And simply connect it. Okay, yes, we will be making hands. And erase this line. This line which is coming in sleeves of body, erase this. Okay, what we did, I took a point on the top, one here, diagonal lines, I made this way is diagonal shape, and 2 lines coming outside. Okay. 2 lines coming outside. See here it is coming on boat also. You will erase the line of boat from your hands. Erase the line of your boat. Yes, I will be Megha. I will be repeating this once again. Okay, because I will be making it again. I'm going to make, if there is space of making 5, you will be making 5 men of this kind only. Okay, if so, I will be repeating it again. Quick revision I'm giving. I took 2 fingers distance. I mark a point. I started with a diagonal line, then draw a shape of U. 11, one more U. Sleeping lines. Then I just draw a hairstyle, a curved line. C, I just connect it diagonally upwards, downwards. After this, I will take 2 points, 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Okay, 2 points. And after taking 2 points, I will write C, letter C 2 times. Okay, how? See how I'm going to write? C for cat, small, and from second point, slightly bigger. A small and slightly bigger. Okay, C 2 times. And you will connect. Connect it with curved line. Connect. With curved line, you will connect it and you can show small 2 lines this way. Okay. So what I did, I erase, and see this line of boat I erase. You will erase the line of boat from hand. Now in this C, I have 1 and 2 points. And these 2 points I have, 1 and 2. From here, I'm going to show the stick of paddle. Okay. I will not make it very long, no. Slightly here. And from second point, I made 1 line from 1 point. Now the second point I have now, I will be making my second line from second point. Okay. And next class is going to be full of learning because I find it little thick. Let's make it little thin. Don't make it so thick. Okay. Just cover it. And I'm going to make it from here. I will make it little big. Slightly bigger than the height of this man. Okay, like here, this is the head. Just here, I will finish it, near head. Okay, so see, using these 2 points of C, I draw a line. And here, all of you see this carefully. Here, only one finger distance. 1 finger distance is coming out. Don't make it very long, okay? And here I will be connecting it with 2 diagonal lines and a small. Because after this, I'm going to show my waves with pencil shading. Okay? Draw this face. Okay? Use scale and show this stick. Can I check this much? All of you show your work. And you can show your 3D drawing also, okay? You've tried 3D drawing, na? Show now. Very good. These are really wonderful efforts. Shabash, wonderful. Very nice, amazing. And the efforts of writing 3D, this is also amazing. See, if you have lots of space, Ethan, like see, I cover up almost this page. See, there are lots of space, but we are going to make many here. But first, let's complete second hand. From this hand, from here, this shoulder part, I will be showing one more line. One small line going diagonal, one more. And make sure your sleeve should be equally wide, okay? Like this width we will keep here. 2 lines going upwards, connect, connect. Acha, water. Here you have lots of space. It's okay, you can add more waves. You must be using A3 size paper. Those who are using A3 size paper, they must be having lots of space. So not to worry, you can add waves and cover it up, okay? Now, these are 2 diagonal lines. I started from here. And simply this top point, connect. And from here inside, I will take one more. I will connect. Okay? I will connect one more. So see here, if you will see, it's looking like V shape, letter V of hands. You know? One upwards, one see, Tiana, and all of you, if you don't have shading pencil, I will suggest you purchase one. Okay, if you're going to purchase 6B or 7B pencil, because pencil shading is in our syllabus. So you need it actually. So purchase one pencil and keep it carefully, safe, nicely. So you will be able to use it for long. Okay, but I think you should go for one pencil. One HB pencil, any HB pencil, you can go for 6B or 8B, purchase one. Now what I will be doing in front of hands, just in front of hands, I will write C and I will write, make fingers. These 2 points I have now, draw U twice, thrice and 4 times. If you are not able to write it 4 times, write 3 times and erase the lines of stick. Don't forget to erase unwanted lines. It's very, very important. I erase the line of stick from hands. Okay. So this man is holding. Okay. So this one man is ready, and same ways I'm going to make other one. From here, I will start 2 fingers distance I will take. I will go for diagonal line. Okay. They all collectively, unitedly move this boat, and racing competition is also. Now we know how to do, and those who were not able to understand when I was teaching, now be attentive. I'm going to teach it again. This is U11 and one more U. Okay, you will be making one more U. You can make it slightly. Okay. And we all know sleeping 11. You can make it slightly diagonal also. Connect. And here I'm going to make some other hairstyle. I will write 3. 3. C here inside. Connect your C upwards. Connect your C downwards. Okay. And now you will be taking 1 point here, 1 point here. Okay, now we know the method of making body. It is going to be same. Even dress, we are not going to change. First you draw a diagonal and then line. And don't forget to erase the line from the sleeves, okay, of body. This is very important. Lines not in use, you should erase at once. Otherwise, what will happen? You will outline them, won't be able to erase. And okay, now these 2 points, those who didn't understand when I was teaching this, now see carefully what I did. From here, I draw a line. 1 point I took inside body, I draw a line, I connect 2 diagonal lines, and now see a small one and a bigger one. Connect. Again, with help of scale, I will be making line. Slightly almost bigger as this man is. 1 line here, 1 downwards. From other point of C, upwards, downwards. Okay. And this ways, in my boat, I can make 3, 1 here. Okay, but many of you are using A4 size, A3 size paper, so you must be having space, bigger space. So you can make 4. If you have space for making 5, you can make 5 also. Because in this competition, there are many, it means more. You can even make 10 or 12 also. But as we don't have that much space, so we will. And here I will show the paddle with small diagonal lines and curved. Okay. So first you draw your object, and don't forget to erase lines of boat. Lines of boat from your paddle. Okay. And second hand, it will start from here. We are going to start our second home. Okay, I will start it from here. Okay, don't get confused from here. And different postures we are learning. Like in Rakhi drawing, we learn how a person is sitting and with 4 legs. Here we are showing what will be the position of hands if you want to show that one is holding paddle. So you can This everything will give you idea of making different postures. So each and every posture you learn nicely. And Onam, suppose in any drawing competition, you're finding topic, draw a festival. And India is incredible. Why India is, you want to show collage of different festivals. You can try this also, because now you know how to draw this. In front of this, I will show a C. I will connect. And I will erase the line of, very important, erasing extra lines. Now, will you please show me the work? Huh? I want to check it once. If you have space of 2 only there, so you make 2 only. Make sure the stick of this paddle should not be very thick. Okay, it should, don't make it very thick. Very nice, amazing. It is Leona. Yes, show your work. Can I see your work? Wow, very good, amazing. And your sister's work also I want to see. And you know what? You both are looking same. Don't worry, Leona, don't worry. See, don't worry if it is untidy. It is learning process. Show, my dear. Show what you made. Okay, you are making. Let her do. Let her do. Very good. It is so beautiful. Continue, okay? Continue. Shabash, wonderful. Grishma, show your work. Kavya, Kavisha, very nice. Acha, Kavya is doing? Okay, fine. Very nice, Kavisha. Beautiful. Okay, now I will, and don't worry about, sometimes when we draw, we mess up also. We spoil artwork also, but this is all learning process. So never get disheartened if you're not able to, okay? And now I will be making one more. Now see, after making 2, now I know the method very nicely. I changed hairstyle only. I'm going to keep 2 fingers distance from here, and I will be showing my third one. Okay, I will mark a point, 2 fingers distance, and I will go diagonal. This shape of U. Okay, diagonal line and then shape of U. 11, 1, 1, 11 to show neck. Letter U again. Letter U again to show face. And 11, sleeping 11, slightly curved you can make for showing this cloth overhead. If there is space of only 2, you can make 2. But if you have little extra space for third one, make third one also. Then only it will look like a boat of Onam. Okay? Because you want to show that festival they celebrate, the cultural activities they did. Because there is a story behind, I will be sharing next class. So this is actually a competition is going on. Nauka Daud. In Hindi we call Nauka. Nauka, it means this kind of boat. Bhargavi, I know we wish you in the beginning, and I know you're very happy as you have birthday. Okay, now I will write C. Draw a C here. We know what to do. Connect it diagonal upwards here. And now here I'm going to make it quite plain. I will keep here quite plain. Here I showed curved. I draw 3. Here I'm going to show it plain. And now we know hands will come from here. 1 point here, 1 here, two diagonal lines, connect as a rectangle, erase this line of body, and diagonal lines here. See, if you want to do any creative change, Meghna, you can try, okay, if you want to make some other things, but at the scene which we pick up for Onam, in that the competition of Naukador, racing of boats is going on, and it happened there that many move a big boat. The boat is quite big and long. So many, almost 20, 25, 24 people, they move this. They move paddled together like a machine, and they move the boat. So better you make at least three people on board, okay? So now see, these are 2 points. First, erase the line of boat from hands. And I'm going to connect C, small c, then a big C, connect with help of scale. Using these 2 points of C, I will be making a line as big as this man is. Okay, and I'm going to add this broad part of paddle, which will be covered up with waves, and I will connect it here. Okay, I will connect it here. After this, I'm going to give a shape of peacock to this boat. Okay, we are going to give a shape of peacock. Now, second far hand from here. Okay, connect, and we will be connecting, and in front I will be writing. See, now we know how to make. I think erase the line of boat and show fingers. 4 times. Okay, so this is the position if you want to show a person moving boat, okay, or throwing net or catching fishes, whatever. You can show it in many different ways. You want to go out, I dream to spend my time, free time, so you can show a boat and you're just moving a boat. This ways also you can show. So see, I will connect. If you want to finish your boat here, you can go for this kind of line, because this boat is slightly high from this side, and second end is not that high. So see, in my boat, I'm able to make three people. I want to check now yours. All of you, show yours. Shabash, wonderful. Very nice, amazing. Very good. And I'm just looking at it, how many of you made more than, and different hairstyles you all tried. It's really looking great. Okay. Yes. Now, tell me, how many of you know about Onam? Show thumbs up, those who know about Onam. Yes. Okay. So many in our class, they know about Onam. Okay, don't worry. I will be sharing complete information about it and even the story behind. Okay. Dakshita, don't worry if you feel that your drawing mess up. Don't worry, beta. Okay, after this class, you will find recorded class, because we provide a recorded class to every student. With help of that, you can draw and do it. Okay. See, all of you, if you feel that somewhere you mess up, you want to do it again, don't worry. With help of recorded class, try it again. Okay, and your work will be solved. So, chalo, now 3 are done, and make sure, many students, they made face very small and stick very thick. Okay, No, the stick should not be very thick and face. Many students make face very small and tiny. So make sure you will take care of this. Okay. So chalo, after this, I will show water. Now for showing water, see where this line, here I will be showing a line of water. And I will continue this line here. I will show this line of water in gaps. Okay, they are in water and this is outside. Okay. And now you all erase this bottom line of boat also. This line also you erase because here we are going to give wave. We are going to show wave with pencil shading. Okay. So this line you erase. Next class, we will add a wave here. So this line you will erase and even the line near these paddles, you erase this. We will be showing our wave directly with pencil shading. Okay. So you will erase these all lines. It's okay. Many of you, many peer students, what they did, they made face very small, like this is body 11, and they made face so small. It is wrong. Okay, take care. And even for making this stick, they made very thick. No, we don't want this much thick stick of this. So make sure you will be very much attentive, looking very carefully that what is the width of ma'am's stick and accordingly do. Now, south, it means lots of coconut trees and all, right? So I will be showing lots of coconut trees around. So my first tree I want to show here in this gap. Okay, in between of these three, I will not show any tree. Medium size face is okay, Nitin. Now here, I will be showing a line. Coconut trees. Let's add some coconut trees. Line, curved line. I will take one more in the corner, okay? And see if you in your board there is more space, you will add more people, more men, okay? I will go this ways. And here on the top, I will be writing 3. But for 3, I will not go for curve. It's flat. Flat. 3. Okay. Now let's add some coconut trees. I will be showing V, small V upwards from the point. And see this, everything is starting from this middle point. Okay. 3, V and one more V. From the same points, one more V. Okay, one more V. So upper V is quite small. This is big and 3. Okay, simple. And leaves we will be making with pencil or colors, whatever. We will not draw leaves today. From here also, I will be showing one more small. You can show it this direction. 3, you can show 3, V. And those who have enough space, they can make many coconut trees, okay? And yeah, they decorate boat very nicely, beautifully. I'm going to show one umbrella. They just decorate with umbrellas and decorative stuff, small umbrella. This umbrella is just for decoration purpose, okay? Not to get shade of it. It's capital D. Draw a line and draw a D. Okay? And I will be showing a stick from center. I will connect it. Okay, back side of this man. So, yes. Okay, backside man. I will be showing this ways of V above and some decorative simple pattern I'm going to make. I will not go for very much decorative as this is very small, and don't forget to one round, 1 0 1 0. It's little very simple decorative lace. Okay, you can show and make it looking little more decorative. Harry, if you didn't, you were not able to attend yesterday, Saturday's class, in which we learn chocolate bouquet and this album come Rakhi, है ना, mini album come Rakhi. So don't worry, its complete recording is available on our YouTube channel. You can see it from there and learn it. Okay. Now this umbrella is done. Now let's give a shape of peacock to this boat. Okay. For this, I want to check this much. I want to check this much. All of you show now how it's looking. Okay, and today you are going to learn drawing of a lovely festival with a lovely story behind. Okay. And when we learn all about others also, other states, other culture of them, so we are getting connected. We are getting connected with each other. Show beak. Okay, you can show it downwards. Show this face curved beak. Okay, it is a V shape which I gave a curve. And you will erase the line backside. I and this kind of crown overhead. Okay, I just made this boat also looking very creative, like a Hans. Okay, come on, give the shape. Now we are showing our creativity everywhere. Okay, whether it is boat, we decorated it with beautiful umbrellas. We gave it a shape of peacock. And backside, we will add few more coconut trees. Okay. And see waves and everything and material required. Yes, coconut tree I will be teaching again. Okay. Those who didn't understand here, I'm going to add some coconut trees this side also. Here, this space I have now. In middle of these three, I will not add any coconut tree behind. Here, I'm going to show some clouds with, again, pencil shedding. Okay. The next class is pencil shedding come coloring class. So it is going to be a great fun next class. Erase this line. Okay, don't forget to erase this line of flex. Okay, now here one more coconut tree. I will be showing one more. I will go this way. I will go this way. See how I will give curve. And from here, okay, I will not connect it to my boat. I will just finish it upwards only. Okay. If you want to show a small, you can show a small. And the leaves hiding behind. We will not show complete. Okay, what I did, I draw 3 V, one more V. Okay, I'm showing it here. First you finish 2 trees here, 2 trees here. Okay, 2 here, 2 here, and I will add 2 trees here also. But here I will add nothing but few birds. Yes, I will be telling you complete. I will be giving you complete idea about what you're supposed to do. Add 2 more here. Again, one small also, because I want to show so many coconut trees. So see, this line is getting pointed here. Now, which is going to be my first letter? It will be 3. Okay, 3. Try to keep it away from these men and all, because already so many things are here. And same here, 3. V, again a V. Okay? So, yes, Satvik, I have checked. You made it very nicely. You showed it before now. If there is no space, now see students, if you feel that there is no space to make this, don't make. You will make things according to the availability of your, and show birds. For making birds, I will write M, 4 birds. Don't make many because already we have so many things and a beautiful artwork of Onam is ready. Now outline. Yes, I will be giving you information about what thing you are supposed to outline. You will be outlining wherever you have done the drawing. It means this complete drawing you will outline. Okay, complete. And the lines which we erase, so that because of this, I erase the lines so that you should not get confused. Only wherever you are finding lines, there you will outline. And the lines which we erase, you will not outline them. Okay, when you will outline, it will look like this. Okay, few birds in sky. And this is our complete artwork of Onam. Can I check the work, all of you? Yes, show me. Beautiful drawing of Onam. And this drawing is having a beautiful story. Here in Karunya's drawing, I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And she showed many are standing near, many people are standing and looking at this race. Very good. And it happens, a big crowd watch this racing and all. Very nice. I can see how creatively you all implement. Wonderful. Okay. So today, one more festival we learn, Onam. And see for Rakhi, so for Janmashtami, we are planning many free activities also. So please, it's a request, keep watch. I can see lovely decoration, Myra. You decorated boat also so nicely. It's looking great. Shabash. Okay, and you can show your 3D6 once again. I know you wanted to show it once again, so please show it once again. Okay, although I have checked when you was showing it before. Very nice, amazing. Okay, so you all have done it wonderfully, beautifully, doing always amazingly. And those who feel that I mess up, so before giving outlines, you just see the recording. You all will get recording. Okay, we provide recording of every class to have Ishani. Ishani, show your work. Yes, amazing, great, wonderful. So hopefully you all must have enjoyed this learning, and next class will be more full of learnings because we will learn many more things. First thing is we will learn combination of pencil shading and colors. Second, a lovely story of Onam, why we celebrate Onam. Okay, so we will listen stories and we will do colors. So you all have done greatly and wonderfully. And okay, Vanessa, show. And Varshini, beta, show your work. See, even we get recording from Zoom in interval. We don't get it immediately. After some hours, sometimes it takes 24 hours also. So, but the moment we get it, we avail it for you. Okay, we upload it in chat box. Beautiful, lovely. Okay, and see, I'm planning for thread painting with watercolors for you. So when these all occasions will finish now, we all will do thread painting. Acha, let me see how many of you want to learn thread painting. Show thumbs up. Thumbs up with smile. Those who are giving confirmation, they should have thumbs up with a smile. Yes, you know what? It's amazing. And thread painting, it's a fun doing this. You can use it for making cards. You can use it for making paintings and all. Okay. So after completing all these, we will learn thread painting with watercolors. Okay. So chalo, with this, I will wind up class. May God bless you. Bye-bye. Take care. Bye, students.